जबरी गुमशुदगियां जिंदा है मुजामत जिंदा.
In the heart of Islamabad, the resilience of Baloch missing person families echoes through the 54th day of their sit-in protest. As the sun rises, their voice became a chorus that reverberates from the capital to the corner of Balochistan. Every day, different cities across Balochistan witness a groundswell of protest against the Baloch genocide and solidarity with the families enduring the agonized wait for their loved ones. Hundreds take to the streets denouncing enforced disappearances. From small villages to bustling towns, the Baloch people unite in a poignant display of resilience against the backdrop of chilling weather. Old men, women, and children determined in their cause joined the sit-in Islamabad. The protest transcends age, gender, and occupation, from the bustling street to the cities to the quiet resilience of small villages, and call for justice is undeniably unanimous.
लापता अफराद को बलोच नस्ल कुशी.
Despite the cool weather, the families, young and old, remain steadfast in their quest for justice. Their determination sends a powerful message to the resilient to the world.
बलोचिस्तान में जबरी गुमशुदगियां बलोचिस्तान में जबरी.
In a synchronized effort, massive rallies sweep through Balochistan, a demonstration of unwavering support for those sitting in Islamabad. This unity in the pursuit of human rights captures the world attention. As the sit-in protest at Islamabad Press Club enters in 54th day, the voice of Balochistan resonates louder than ever. Their plea of justice transcends boundaries, uniting people from all walks of life. This is more than a protest. It's a resounding call for humanity to stand against enforced disappearances and uphold the rights of every individual. From Islamabad to Balochistan, the world witnessed a united front for justice. The sit-in continues, and so does the unwavering spirits of those who seek answers.